Women in STEM and ISCO teamed up to throw a night where students could participate in hands-on science experiments.
We made a really fun ice cream bar where everyone got to make their own ice cream in little baggies, shake it really fast, super fun. Then we played a great Kahoot that had STEM themed, geography, really fun things, and we had a couple of winners. It was so much fun. And then we made oobleck.
This event not only gave students the opportunity to learn, but to socialize and build connections.
And a lot of what Troy University offers is the fact that it's like a family. And I think that it really makes a community, it makes a network. People get to make friends, trust one another, and come in and just have a really great time with people from who they would have never met otherwise.
It's community building, and you get to see people who you don't usually see, maybe become lifelong friends with them.
Gwen says that it's important to continue learning, especially in fun ways.
I think it's super important to just make science fun, learnable, and apply it to hands-on things that people do every day. It's all around us, even just the science of cooking, us breathing, so many things is science, and a lot of people make it out that it's something really difficult and really hard, when in the long run, if you just put your mind to it and learn it, it's not too bad.
Sarah Campbell, Troy, TrojanVision News.